Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to see other viewers on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. Once you get into your account, head to your story from the top left corner. After opening the story, you will be able to see the viewers from the bottom left corner. Simply tap on the viewer icon from here and you will be able to see who viewed your story first. As you can see, my story is viewed by others, so there is one view from someone who is not my friend on Facebook. Then back to the home page, tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner. Now from here, head to settings icon from the top right corner. After that, tap on the stories option from here. From here, you can control who can see your story. You can choose privacy from public to friends, friends except for, and specific friends. If you choose the specific friends option, only those people you selected will be able to view your story. But if you choose the privacy on public, anyone will be able to view your story. They could be your friends or others. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.